All right, guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're gonna be doing a bit of a solo adventure. I'm gonna be hopping in my truck, going over, picking up my boat, and we're gonna be shooting right up to the lake house. We're gonna be doing some camping, some cooking, some sunset, getting lunch by boat. It's gonna be an awesome episode, guys, so make sure you tune in and watch this whole thing. Right now, we're all loaded up, got all my gear. I'm gonna go over, grab the boat, and I'll bring you guys back out when we're shooting up to the lake.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Okay, I just got here. Boat road, super nice, surprisingly. And look at it. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous out. I was a little worried about the weather, but it's insane. So I'm gonna get unpacked, get some stuff figured out, and I'll bring you guys back when I'm like launching the boat and get in the water. We're gonna shoot right out, get some cool drone shots, do some exploring a little bit in the daylight. Then we got sunset. We're gonna be cooking up dinner out on the boat on sunset. It's gonna glass right off, I think. So it's gonna be awesome. I'll bring you guys out later. Finally got the boat in. It's kind of windy, kind of wavy. Might be kind of hard to hear me. So hopefully you can hear me okay. It was a terrible time getting the boat in, but I finally got it in. So what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna hop in, get it started up, and just steam across the lake. Go down a ways down there or something. Maybe do some fishing. Maybe just kind of hang out. I'm gonna get the drone up in the air, get some cool shots. I just wanna let the motor really run. It's been a really long time since it ran. And our plan is we're gonna come back in, I'll get camp set up, and then we're gonna go back out for some sunset fun. So I'll get some clips of us running over there and we'll see where we go. Officially out on the boat, I'm pretty excited. It's been a really long time since we've been on this. Let me trim it down. Okay, well, good news is I got absolutely drenched on my way over. My shirt is completely soaked, if you can, oh, I almost fell over, if you can tell. And I was wrong. It's basically just as rough over here. So I just came all the way from over there. I shot all the way over here. I thought it might be shallower, or I mean, geez, less rough. I was wrong, but whatever, regardless, we're here. So I'm gonna toss an anchor out. And I don't know, fish for a little bit, and then we're gonna head back in a little while. I just want to get the boat out, really. So okay, believe it or not, I didn't catch a single thing. I didn't give it very long either. I'm kind of cold, but today is the only nice day, so I think I have to jump in. Tomorrow's supposed to be kind of cloudy, so I think I'm gonna jump in. Let me show you what my towel is. So tragically, I really didn't bring anything, so I have a couple of these rags. So this is all I have to dry off with. My clothes are wet anyway from jumping in. It's gonna be cold, but I think I just gotta do it. Oh, it's just kind of a terrible choice. It's really cold. All right. Oh. 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 That was way worse than I expected. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. This is all I have for towels. So this is what I have to dry off with. It's 3 rags. I didn't think this through very well. What I'm gonna do is, I got the drone right here. I'm gonna get the drone up and grab some pretty cool shots, like steaming back.
Never works. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it wasn't true.
Okay, I chucked the boat back in the lift. Now, gonna go up, set up camp up here. Okay, so there was a bit of a change of plans. The wind did kick up again, unfortunately. I decided not to go take the boat out, but sunset is about to be really good. So we're gonna cook right here. I'm gonna get a fire going. I'll toss the drone up as well. We'll get some shots with that. But not gonna be able to take the boat out right now. I just don't feel like dealing with this wind, and I don't think I'll be able to cook out there very well either. So I just went really simple with dinner tonight. It's just like some pre-made stuff that we had left over, just so I can cook it in here. I knew I wasn't gonna have a ton of time with getting the boat in and everything, and you know, with sunset and getting this going. So it's pretty casual. I didn't really want to go nuts, so.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Okay, so this is the current sleeping setup. I've got the lights on to show you guys. They don't stop changing colors. The remote broke, so hopefully you can kind of see what my sleeping setup is, but this is it. So obviously we're inside the boat here. It's just right in front of the center console. There's a nice spot right here where the floor is. I got an inflatable mattress up here. You can see I got like my speaker and stuff there. And then I just got a sleeping bag, an extra blanket, a pillow, which is under the pillowcase because I'm afraid it might fall over the edge into the water. The lights are going right now, and I'm just kind of chilling, listening to some music. My plan, I'm just gonna sit here, kind of chill, check out my phone, do some stuff like that. I got a fire going on the beach, hang out with a fire, but that's basically it for tonight, guys. So I will bring you back out. Tomorrow, we're gonna be going at it, doing some fishing maybe. We'll see what the weather does, so I'll bring you guys back out tomorrow. My plan for right now is I'm gonna hop in, take a bit of a shower in the lake, and then start getting some breakfast ready. It's so cold. The best part about the lake here is you can take like, there's all these shells crushed up, and you can just like throw them on the pan and scrub it with that. No soap necessary. I think there's girls in LA that pay like $80 to wash their skin with this stuff, you know, like the pumice scrub, and we just get it for free. Okay everyone, so now it is about almost 11 o'clock. Finally wrapped up everything with breakfast, just did some stuff I had to do on the boat. There's something wrong with the starter. My original plan was to take this boat out, which is my other one. It's like a little fishing boat with a fishing setup. I put it on charge all night and the battery didn't charge a single thing. So I don't know what's wrong. Also, I'll kind of show you here. Looks like a muskrat got in it. There's literally poop everywhere. There's a huge pile down in there. And when I tell you, you can't get like 10 feet with this thing, it stinks so bad. I'm not kidding. So I'm gonna pull it and take it home and clean it and then bring it back. But so what I'm gonna do is I've loaded up, this is Snookum. So this is my my main boat. It's like a 19-foot center console. I got this loaded up. I got the cooler, I got the grill, I got film stuff. I got a few fishing poles in there as well. What I'm gonna do is shoot my way down over here where I've gotten some lake trout before. Hopefully they're in shallow. I heard they're in shallow. So I'm gonna troll my way down, fish some stuff. I'll bring you guys out if anything exciting happens along the way. And if not, I'm gonna anchor up once I get down there, just cast, hang out, fish for a little bit, cook a lunch on the boat, all that good stuff. Cause it's an absolutely gorgeous day and it's glassing right off. So okay, so change of plans. I couldn't get the motor to idle down enough trolling. So you'll see in the drone footage, I zipped over to just kind of down here by these cliffs. Seems like a cool spot. I'm getting the anchor out and I'm gonna throw anchor and chill here, hopefully catch some fish and just kind of hang out and enjoy the warm weather. So I'll bring you guys out if anything really cool happens. And yeah, I don't expect to catch anything really, but well, it turns out I forgot the propane tank. Instead, now I'm gonna zip down the lake, go to the market and get something to eat there instead for lunch because I literally forgot the propane tank and I don't wanna go back to the house to get it. So I'm just gonna go buy something there. So I just pulled up and I realized I left my wallet. This is like the exact pace this whole trip's been. So I'm gonna try and see if they have Apple Pay. If not, we'll have to shoot back to the lake house and I'll just have to cook out there on the grill. But look how nice it is though. Finally greened up around here. Going over to the market. It's right over there and we'll see if they take Apple Pay. All right, so they did take Apple Pay. So I just got a couple little snack things because they didn't have really food items. So I'm gonna eat these and then we'll head back out in the boat and rip home. Oh, look at those flowers. Okay guys, that is gonna be it for this video. I'm about to wrap it up, take the boat back here, chuck it in the lift, and then I'm gonna grab that other boat that that animal pooped all over. And then I'm gonna be ripping back home. So this is gonna be it for this week's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed, tap that bell notification, like the video, all that good things. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, I'm gonna try and do a couple of these every single month, in addition to like my TikTok, my Instagram, all the socials there. So make sure you guys are following me, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.